Alright, here's my Snapper 4 horsepower garden tiller. Briggs and Stratton. 4 horsepower. It's got the ag tires on it. Full start. There's forward and till, forward, neutral, and reverse. You put in one of those and then pull this up to go. It's been worked. We've used it to till this garden for many years. This is our garden, but it's just starting to be spring and we're cleaning it up. And this part isn't going to be a garden anymore because we found this huge rock and can't get this out even with the economy. We'd have to rent a backhoe and all that. Too much of pain. So we're going to have all this, clean it up and go over that way some and use this and my Brindley garden plow with the tractor. But it's worked really good. Here, I'll start it. Let's see if I can put the camera down. Runs really good. Good for this. She runs good though. And that's about it.